Advanced Travel English. Welcome to Fluent Ease English, where you practice listening, speaking, and reflexes to make English a natural skill, just like your mother tongue. Today's lesson is about advanced travel English. After this lesson, you will be able to ask and answer where someone is from, talk about how long you stay and why you are traveling, holiday or business, handle travel situations, asking for a photo, buying tickets, finding exchange rates. Say when you are lost and need help. Let's get started. Mini story: a tourist in London. It is Anna's first day in London. She meets a friendly man in the park. Anna says, "Hi, where are you from?" The man replies, "I'm from Vietnam, nice to meet you. Where are you from?" Anna smiles, "I'm from Canada." They sit and talk. Anna asks, "How long will you stay in London?" The man answers, "I'll stay for 2 weeks. I'm here on holiday." Anna says, "That's nice. I'm here on business trip. I have meetings tomorrow." Later, Anna walks near the river. She wants a photo. She asks another tourist, "Excuse me, can you take a photo of me?" The tourist smiles and takes a picture. Suddenly, Anna looks around and says, "Oh no, help, I'm lost." She can't find her hotel. She asks, "Where can I buy a bus ticket?" A kind woman shows her the ticket machine. Anna also needs money. She asks, "What's the exchange rate for dollars?" The woman says, "The exchange rate today is $1, it's 0.80 pounds. Finally, Anna takes the bus, finds her hotel, and feels safe again. Now it's time for the Q&A mini story. A tourist in London. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. Anna meets a friendly man in the park. Who does Anna meet? A friendly man. Where does she meet him? In the park. Is the man friendly or rude? Friendly. Anna says, "Where are you from?" What does Anna ask? Where are you from? Does she ask about food or about his country? About his country. Who asks, "Where are you from?" Anna. The man says, "I'm from Vietnam." Where is the man from? Vietnam. Does the man say he is from Vietnam or Japan? Vietnam. Who is from Vietnam? The man. Anna asks, "How long will you stay in London?" What does Anna ask? How long will you stay in London? Does she ask about staying or sleeping? Staying. Who asks about staying? Anna. The man says, "I'll stay for 2 weeks. I'm here on holiday." How long will he stay? 2 weeks? Is he here on holiday or business? On holiday. Who is here on holiday? The man. Anna says, "I'm here on business trip." Why is Anna in London? For business. Does she say she is here on holiday or business? Business. Who is here on business? Anna. Later, Anna asks, "Can you take a photo of me?" What does Anna ask? Can you take a photo of me? Does Anna want a photo or money? A photo. Who wants a photo? Anna. Anna says, "Help, I'm lost." What does Anna say? I'm lost. Is Anna lost or at home? Lost. Who is lost? Anna. She asks, "Where can I buy a bus ticket?" What does Anna ask? Where can I buy a bus ticket? Does Anna want to buy a bus ticket or a movie ticket? A bus ticket. Who wants to buy a bus ticket? Anna. Anna asks, "What's the exchange rate for dollars?" What does Anna ask about? The exchange rate. Does Anna ask about the exchange rate or the weather? The exchange rate. Who asks about the exchange rate? Anna. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about advanced travel English. Now you can ask about countries, talk about holidays and business trips, ask for help and deal with tickets and exchange rates. Keep practicing until these phrases become natural. If you liked this lesson, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to Fluent Ease English. See you in the next lesson.